So we're going to be trying to draw angle A, angle B, and angle C. I got my protractor position here. It doesn't matter where I put my protractor. I'm actually going to move it out of the way for right now. And I'm going to draw a ray to represent one side of angle A. I'm going to put a point A right here. That's the point where the angle is going to occur. So you have a ray, it's got an end point, and the end point is what the vertex is going to be, and it's going in whatever direction. I could have gone that direction. I could be going down, I could have like had it go like down here. It doesn't matter where I draw it, right? But I just draw some ray in some direction, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm trying to draw a 15-degree angle here, so I get my protractor, and I'm going to position the point of my protractor there. On your protractors, there's a little hole. The hole goes over top of your vertex point. Mine, the zero value is right at the bottom here. And then I'm going to position my protractor so it sits, this line sits where the 0, 180 is, right along this ray that I've drawn. And then I'm going to draw a second ray. we're going to mark a point here. So again, this is 0 degrees going this direction. 180 is going this direction. So 0 is here, and I'm trying to make a 15-degree angle. So I just, going up the inside numbers, 10, 20, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is right there at that point, right there. All right? So I want to find that position right there. And then again, with you guys, with the flat spot of your protractor, oh shoot, try again. Set back down. It's much easier by hand on paper, but 15 degrees is right there, right? So, with the flat spot of your protractor, you can just draw a line from A through that point. I don't have that. My ruler works better to draw a straight line. So I'm going to position my ruler on that point. Maybe. I don't want to. Might be the best I can do. All right, and then I'm going to connect like that. There's my 15-degree angle. All right. If I want to draw a 112-degree angle, same deal. I start with a straight line. Again, it doesn't matter where I draw the straight line at. I'm just going to, something like that, whatever. And then I'm going to take my protractor. I'm going to call this point B. I'm going to position my protractor so it's sitting right there on my vertex. 0 is lined up on it. And then I'm going to mark the 112 degrees. So again, this is the 0 direction this way, so I'm on the inside numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 11, 12. So I'm looking at right there. That point right there, 110 plus 2 makes 112. So again, always start from 0, wherever you're going this direction, that's where 0 is, and you're opening up to your angle. Again, there's both a 0 and a 180 there. The direction you're going is always 0. 112 is right there, so now I'm going to get my ruler out again. I'm going to position it at B. I'm going to open it up to the point where I marked off, and then I'm going to draw my straight line through that. There's my 112-degree angle. And finally, I want angle C to be a 90-degree angle. So again, I start by drawing a ray. We'll call that angle C, so point C is going to be the end point of my ray. I position my protractor on top of point C. I'm going to put my protractor at 0 along the ray. And I'm going to identify where 90 degrees is. You see 90 degrees is straight up. Right there. So I'm going to take my ruler, Put it on C. Go to where my point is, and you connect it up with a straight line. So from C, this direction, and that's my right angle. Now, we've drawn these. I could put like a little arc symbol in here and say 12 degrees. Put a little arc symbol in here. Since it's different measure, I'm going to put 2 there, so 112 degrees, right? Oh, sorry, this is 15 degrees, wasn't it? 15 degrees. And then for a right angle, you can either write 90 degrees if you want to, or you can put the right angle symbol, which is a little box in the corner. I usually use the little box in the corner for a 90-degree angle. But again, you're not wrong to put 90 degrees there, but I think that's more normal. Most people use that symbol.